me and my team are thinking of starting our pilot project in Atok, Benguet. So for those who don't know where Atok, Benguet is, it's located in the Philippines, in the northern part of Manila, and it's a mountainous region, and it's known for a place raising Arabica coffee. That's our plan, and it will depend also on our community and our advisors if we're gonna launch there. But most likely we will. We already did the study, and we see that the town and the local farmers need our help. So we will update you if Atok, Benguet will be our first pilot project. Now, like I mentioned in the past, we also have a project that we're gonna launch in Malaysia, in Thailand, in Vietnam, as well as Singapore. So we will also update you on those countries. But since we founders are based here in the Philippines, so it will be easier for us to start first here, and then gradually we will expand to the 4 countries that I mentioned. Okay, so if you're from Southeast Asia and want to be part of this program, you can message me here and we can talk more about the details of being a member, being an investor, or being a participating organization and strategic partners, because we will be helping a lot of smallholder coffee farmers around the world. No, this is not just one country. It's about roughly around 65 producing coffee countries. Okay, so that's about it. And then for those who want to know more about Atok, Benguet, it's like 1,500 to 2,000 meters above sea level. So it is best known to grow Arabica coffee trees, because Arabica coffee trees are known they can only survive in a mountainous region. Okay, so more updates in the coming days, and then yeah, maybe Atok will be our first. We'll let you know.